Today we're going to install a new battery on this 2006 Honda Civic. Alright, this will be a 51 RS group size. First thing we're going to do is put on the heat shield we removed from the old one. Just set it like so, and we'll drop the battery right into the tray. Next, what we're going to do is put this battery bracket, swing this over, put this hook right into place down in here. There's a little hole, slide that in. Alright, this will go right in here. Then we'll secure these top nuts using a 10mm deep socket and secure this down, and then we'll tie in the other side as we go, and this side as well, so we get a nice fit tie evenly. Alright, and that battery is not going anywhere. We'll remove these covers from here. We'll put on the positive terminal and we'll secure this down with the same 10mm. Make sure it's nice and tight. Put that cover back onto place. This will sit right into there and right into the negative terminal. Wiggle this down all the way to make sure it seats properly. Secure this back down with the same 10mm. Make sure it's nice and tight, and we are set. And that is how you install a new battery on this 2016 Honda Civic. And let's fire it up, make sure everything is working properly. And I am not using a memory saver whatsoever. Battery is completely dead and needed to be replaced. Everything is working sweet. These lights will go off after you drive it. That's just the first initial startup. Once everything is going and everything is initializing, everything should be good to go. For the radio, just hold down the power button. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.